Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Today I want to show you the color isolation effect. This effect gets used in a lot of music videos and it's really easy to create. So first of all, go with your video into the color page. Then open the RGB mixer tab. Hit the monochrome box. And as you can see, now your video is monochrome or black and white. Then go into your node field and press right click onto your node. Go to add node and add a layer node. Okay, now open the qualifier tab. Make sure that this picker symbol is activated and select the color you want to isolate. So I want to isolate the color blue, so I simply left click the blue color. Now you can see this looks kinda ugly, so we go back to the picker symbol and select this picker add symbol. Now add some more areas where your color appears. And if you are not sure if you have selected everything, then just unselect this connection shortly. And maybe some colors are selected which you don't want to be selected, then you just hit this symbol and select these areas which shouldn't be isolated. And for some minor adjustments you can use the feather picker. And now you can see this is what it looks like before, and this is what it looks like when blue is isolated. So I hope this short tutorial has helped you. If so, then leave a like or sub to my channel. Check the first link in the description to get some nice effects and transitions. Thanks to all channel members and all supporters. Stay creative and bye.